Oppo has silently launched its new A-series phone in China called Oppo A6L. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo A6L features a tall 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1600 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. The smartphone packs with 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo A6L sports a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top center that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery with 80 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with ColorOS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.13 by 77.58 by 7.7 millimeters, and it weighs around 195 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo has been priced in China at 1,799 Chinese yuan, and it is now available for purchase in the country in white, blue, and pink color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A6L smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.